In this video, I will show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy phone if it is not super fast charging. First things first, ensure that you're using the correct charger. Make sure you have a super fast charging brick and a cable that's also compatible with super fast charging. Inspect both the charger and cable for any visible damage. A faulty cable or adapter can significantly affect charging speed. Next, check the charging port on your device. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, preventing proper connection between the cable and port. To clean it, use a soft brush or compressed air carefully. After cleaning, try connecting your charger again to see if it resolves the issue. If your charger is fine but you're still facing issues, let's reset battery stats. Open up the phone app on your Samsung device and type in *9900#. This will launch what's known as SysDump. Scroll down to find Battery Stats Reset and tap on it. This action resets how your device reads battery usage patterns, which can sometimes fix charging problems. Now let's make sure fast charging is enabled in Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap on the gear icon to access Settings. Scroll down until you find Battery. Tap on it, then scroll down further to Charging Settings. Here, ensure that fast charging is enabled. Once you've completed these steps, restart your device. Sometimes all it takes is a simple reboot for changes to take effect. If after all these steps you're still experiencing issues, consider trying another wall outlet or checking for software updates under Software Update in Settings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.